5.5 minutes. I'll get my favorite part on video. I've been like half asleep the whole time.
Countertop space. It kind of actually takes up about this much space, which would mean for you guys, you're left with this space.
Oh man, look at the hair. I think you put some in there. I think you added some hair.
Nope, it's all yours.
Honestly, we can put that in there. You can see how difficult
This feels so good.
I definitely want to keep the house.
Already? That's only 1 minute and 21 seconds. I'm gonna go in and pick up a meal for us. I slept most of the time during my retightening. So right now I'm going into the Midwood barbecue smokehouse, get some ribs, collard greens, broccoli casserole. That'll be our meal for the day. Good evening, good evening. I am ready for bed. I'm tired. I slept most of the time during my retightening. And I woke up to the massage or the comb through of my hair, and it felt so good, so I had to wake up. My sinuses are bothering me, and I'm not resting well. So I'm getting ready to go to bed a little bit early. I wanted to come in and show you what my hair looks like. I try to make sure that when I braid in band or I braid my hair for a braid out, that I braid the ends pretty tight. I wanted to smooth them out, and they're smoothing out pretty well. It's curling on the ends and locking. Because it looked pretty blunt at the beginning when I got my hair cut. But now I have these little bumps on the end, and I'm braiding and banding my hair every time to try to make sure that I don't have thick ends. So now that's my real reason for braiding and banding. It's to make sure that I don't have thick ends, and then my hair would be difficult to pull through during my retightenings. I love my hair today. It needed to be retightened. It had grown to me so much, and my hair is growing back fast. I think of it as a plant. When you cut the plant back, it just seems to bloom, blossom, to grow, just become more healthy. And yeah, that's what it does. And it's doing well. I don't have any issues. None. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He blesses me. He keeps me. And He calls me His own. We are friends. Have a great night.